Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning how to add a menu item or several menus. Here is what we're trying to add here. You see these menu items, navigation menu. We want to add these. There are two ways, and we're going to start out here. This is my home page on the site, just using the standard blog blog template theme. There are two ways to get to your menus. First would be to hover over your site name and then select menus. Second is to go through your dashboard, and I'm going to show you the way through your dashboard since a lot of you will be working through your dashboard a lot. So inside here, here's our dashboard. To get to menus, we're going to hover over appearance, select menus. Now that we're in here, you will see that a lot of you will already have some sort of menu set up. This one's called primary. What we want to do is add another menu. You can always delete your menu. It's not going to delete these pages. It's just going to delete this menu structure. So we're not going to delete this though. We're just going to create a different menu. I'm just going to hit the plus sign here. That's what you're going to do. And then a menu name, you're going to name it. This is only for your purposes, so I'm just going to call it main menu. And then I'm going to hit the create menu button. Once you hit the create menu button, you're going to go over here to theme locations, and this is an important one. Everyone forgets this. You want to select main menu, the menu you just created, and save. That's the menu we're going to be using now, and not this other primary menu. You can have several menus here and choose between them based upon the particular type of site you're using or theme you're using. You can add several different items. We'll cover custom links in a moment, but pages. We can view all. I'm going to add an about page. These pages have already been created. I'm going to add a blog. Add these to menu. Notice that they show up here. I can add portfolio content. This is depending on your theme. Categories, all of you will be able to do this. I'm going to add a category called education. All my posts that are in the education category would be in that tab. And I'm going to say university. And that's every post that's tagged with university. I'm going to have that linked as a menu item. So there we have several pages here. A lot of you will want to add a home page, and there are two ways to do this. The first would be, and this is true of any custom link, you could add your a different blog, a link to an external site, your Facebook page or Twitter account profile. But I'm going to show you how to link to your home page. So in this URL in the custom link, I'm just going to say innovate.uh.edu/negram, which is my site. That's my home site, so it'll take me to the home page. I'm just going to call it home and add to menu. Now if we take a look at this, you'll see that I've got my URL and home. I could make this any external URL or internal URL. The other way to add a home button is already built into all of the themes. It's going to be called home :home. You can just add that, and that will also add, the same thing. But I'm going to delete one of these. Remove this, and then this is very important. You need to hit Save Menu to see what it looks like. So I'm going to go look. All right, you see that I've got these set up here. Let me return to menus. And then say you wanted a sub-menu. Say you wanted some drop-down menu items. I want maybe under home. I want to have about and blog drop-down menus. And you can do this at several layers. I can have additional drop-downs so to drag it over a little bit more. Now education will be under blog, and blog will be under home. I'm going to hit save and show you what I mean. So now I hover over home. I've got a drop-down about and blog. Now I hover over blog, and I've got another sub-menu for education. I'm going to return because that doesn't make much sense and doesn't look good to me. So I'm going to move these back. There you go, and I'm going to hit save. You have to hit save every time. That's the primary different ways to add things to your menu. Remember that you can go in here and remove items from your menu at will. It's not going to hurt anything. Delete them and re-add them. They all still exist over here. So thank you for listening in, and stay tuned for other tutorials through innovate.uh.edu.